Hey guys, welcome to Unit 21, 31 to 79 Paisley Drive, Lawnton. This is drone games. It's a new innovation for the Moreton Bay region. In fact, it's a new innovation for Australia in this format. So basically what we have here is, it's a bit of a mess, sorry about that, but we'll be launching Saturday week, and we really want you guys to come down, but we want to bring along for the journey as well. So it's a bit messy, sorry about that, but it'll get cleaned up by the time you guys get down here. So what we have is we have our Sky High espresso bar, so you can have a really nice coffee. We're using 7 Miles coffee, absolutely beautiful. We've got our flight desk, we've got our cafe. This will all be an overflow cafe for the time being. Eventually we're going to have our office, our training room, corporate office, that sort of stuff. It'll also be turned into a party room if we need to, if you guys want to have a party, for example. Come this way, Tim. So basically we have two major flight areas, Flight Area 1 and Flight Area 2. This flight area here is full of different obstacles. This is what we call our junkyard. So basically we have things like the obliques. Come in this way, Tim. we have the obliques, which is a very interesting well, that's the only one in the world that we know of in existence. And the challenge is for you guys to come in and get through there and maybe go in and out and around and see how many you can get through. We have explosions, we have pallet gates, we have tyres. This one over here, for example, Tim's going to have a go at this soon. Basically, you got to go through the blue tyre, the green tyre with the blue inside, and back up through the pink. Not many people will be able to do it, but it's a challenge. Maybe you can do it. God knows, put me to shame. We have higher obstacles up there, we have lower obstacles, we've got lots of things going on in here. You can have a party. We can bring over the divider net, and there's 2 different areas you can choose from there. Come this way, Tim, watch your step, come under. So where you see the red, that's the launch areas, and we'll have different types of launch areas. We're going to get Steve on the drone soon. Come this way, Tim, I'll show you a bit more. Watch your step. So this is our flight area number 2. So this is more of our racing area in this one. So we have our runway, or droneway as we call it. We have our control tower. It's not quite ready yet, as you can see, but by the time you guys come on Saturday, it'll be good to go. Saturday week, 13th, Saturday week. So basically the pilots down here, they'll be flying from the chevrons through to the thresholds and down the runway. And it's kind of like an airball, air racing type stuff set up. You've got to go through gates, you've got to go through the boat, watch out for the shark, got to go through the sails and then up and around, and watch out for the plane. We don't like hitting planes at all. And while we're at it, talking about the drones that we're going to be using here, we're going to have BYODs, but only on certain nights. We'll let you know when they are. However, I want to show you some of the drones that we're going to be using, and you've got available to you to hire. So you basically hire the battery and the drone comes with you. Select your drone, determine which drone you want, then we'll give you the batteries. So, sell you the batteries. Come this way, I'll show you some of the drones. All right, so let's go behind the desk. So what we have is we have things like, I've got one out of the box for you just to show you. So we've got things like this. This is the bug. Nasty bit of gear, this thing, really nasty. I think you'll love to have a go at that one. Then we've got some of these sort of things. We've got things like the Osprey. How cool is that? We've got virtual reality stuff, you know, with the small peppers and stuff like that. So you don't actually have to try and see your drone. You can actually put the goggles on and go through them, and you're actually in there. So awesome bit of gear. We've got things like this for the kids. You know, they light up and they'll be able to see them from miles away, and they have an absolute ball. They can crash them. They can do whatever. Crash into each other, crash into the things, drop them on the ground, and they're good, they'll survive. We've got heaps. They've got this sort of stuff. This is fairly high-end type stuff, so if you're an intermediate to advanced, then you'll be able to put these sort of stuff on and really go hell for leather and get going. Eventually we're going to join up these nets, so that sort of stuff will be absolutely incredible. We've got these sort of things, these sort of drones. We've got lots of different drones. We've got the sharks. You know, nasty bit of gear, these things. Pretty cool. We've got little ones. We've got these sort of things here, like How on earth is that actually supposed to fly? I've got no idea, but we've got these sort of things and you can give it a crack. Anyway, that's just some of the stuff we've got going on here. We'd love to see you. We open on Saturday the 13th of November, so come on down. We're offering great deal on coffee for grand opening. We're offering great opening deals on the drones. So we'd love to see you. Unit 21, 31 to 79, Paisley Drive, Lawnton. Thanks guys, really appreciate you watching. Just jump on our Facebook site, have a look on our website, drone-games.com.au, and yeah, love to see you. Thank you.